Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to pay for Disney Plus using Google Pay? Here's how to do it in just a few steps. First of all, open the Google Play Store, then search for Disney Plus and tap install on your Android device. Once installed, open the Disney Plus app and tap sign up to create your account. Choose your subscription plan and select Google Play as your payment method. Confirm the purchase and you are all set. To manage or cancel your subscription, go to Google Play Store, tap My Subscriptions and select Disney Plus. That's it. Enjoy endless entertainment with Disney Plus powered by Google Play. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.